Now why are you carrying on?
In this video, we're trying to finish the interior.
Yeah, so if you'll have watched the last video, which I'm sure you will have done,
You better have.
you'll have seen us fitting these windows. So windows are in both sides now. So today
We've got carpet, ply lining,
some bit of ply.
and hopefully some lights if they've turned up.
Yeah, we're still waiting for floor as well. So.
Floor, yeah, we're still waiting for a few bits, but yeah, we're on a bit of hold on because of deliveries and stuff. But
Yeah, watch the rest of the video. We're going to get it opened up. We'll show you what we've got. So we'll get on it. So
yeah. There you go.
Is that the carpet?
Yep. Yeah, one more thing. So this is the first time Andy's seen the carpet of what I've ordered.
No, what is this? It's not carpet.
What? You're right, carpet. But it is suede. Use that for something else. Right there.
You know why you're carrying on? Where's the glue?
Yeah, I reckon spray glue, didn't it? Somewhere. Oh, there, you've got something here. Yeah, there is a big pack of something in there. There is spray glue in there. Sick. So, black carpet, black suede.
Easy.
Right, so we're going to time lapse next bit. So, I'm going to take all the roof lining off. Andy's cutting all brackets and stuff off that we don't need. And
de-welding it.
de-welding, is that what you call it? De-welding. And Callum is de-siliconing van. So we'll take your ears.
So transporters have this little bracket here for mounting the jack to, but ours is in front anyway. So we're just going to cut it off. So I've already tried at the bottom to try the theory, but just have a couple of spot welds in. So we're just going to run grinder in, grind the spot welds down, and it should come off. And we'll just flat wheel it down and a bit of stone chip over it just to cover it.
The sharp bits.
They look real good then.
So what we're doing, we're just cutting a piece out. I'm going to do the wheel welds first.
Down there, yeah?
And then if we mess it up, we've not lost too much carpet.
What a statement. What a thing to say.
So that's his first wheel arch all done. Are we doing it right? Who knows? But it's all in and it looks good. Right, so while Andy's inside the van doing the big piece of carpet, Me and Callum are gonna do the little bits of ply line. We've got a different material for that. We've got this suede that covers these ply lining panels that Chris at Cerberus Fire Protection kindly sent us over.
We're going to put a link in, Josh.
Yeah, we'll put a link in the description where you can find his page and his website. They do all fire doors. I'll insert a bit of footage of them cutting it out and their workshop and that, so you can have a good look.
Big thanks to today's sponsor, Cerberus. These guys are one of the leaders in fitting and manufacturing bespoke fire-rated doors. But that's not all. When it comes to fire stopping, Cerberus have you covered. From passive fire protection to fire stoppings for ceiling and walls, fire extinguishers, fire risk assessments, and loads more. Basically, if it's fire safety, Cerberus do it and they do it properly. So if you need anything fire stopping related, give the team at Cerberus a call or hit the link in the description to find out more. Massive thanks to Cerberus for supporting the channel.
How far over do you want it? Are you going to top of that line there?
Yeah.
To top there, but which bit are you going to?
This line here.
The second one down, that's fine. I went to the wrong one.
I think it's a mistake.
I think I need to whack this up my neck. Is that enough over there for you?
Yeah.
Look at Callum's neck covered in glue.
You sold us this dodgy van.
Well. That's just a lump of something up there. That lock's never opening again.
Oh. Trying not to. Maybe. Left-handed this time, mate, so all could happen.
Right, come over the top. Ah, oh, Jimmy, eye.
Tap it.
Turn around. Oh, yeah, that's a nice t-shirt.
Yeah.
Where'd you get that from?
Off the internet.
Is it Bertie's MOT?
It's MOT.co.uk, I think it was.
Yeah. Nice.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Hmm.
Being better if I could see it. Yeah, it's glued shut.
Sorry, mate, I'll catch you with it.
Just a bit. A personal loss for there.
Claims it's just glue.
I'll just cut it. So we've carpeted both sides of the van now. It's all stuck down, looks quite nice. Door's nearly done. I just need to get door open so that I can stick bottom in. These bits obviously are going to get cut out because we're going to do the panels so they can be removed. It's a little bit better. They'll look better all as one if we done it over the top of boards, but then if you ever need to get in there for any wiring or anything like that, it causes problems down the line. And obviously the aim of this van is to sell it, so we want people to be able to access stuff. It's not just what we like.
Yeah, I think it looks good. I think you've done a really good job. Like,
I think what we're doing with the panels as well, to be honest, will make it look.
Yeah, loads better, ain't it?
Yeah, when it's done, when you see it, when it's done.
You get to see us. They're not velvet. What I keep calling them velvet? What are they?
Below.
They're not velour. What are they called?
Suede, isn't it?
Suede. That's it. Yeah, I keep calling them velvet.
So they're going to be like, so all the original panels we're redoing in a suede fabric. It's quite nice. So all these infills where it had just for grey standard, it's like boarding, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is going to be in there. It's going to be in there. So that'll just breaks it up a little bit as well, doesn't it? Yeah. Although it is black, it's like black and grey in it, but it just looks different because it's.
Yeah, it's nice. I think it looks amazing. To be fair,
yeah. So
what we're doing now is we're getting all the door cards off the original ply, and we're going to wrap them in that velvet. It's not velvet, is it? I've done it again. Suede. That's it. Yeah. Cheers for that, Callum. So yeah, we'll get them done and show you how we do it. Right. So all we've done is we've done half of it. So we folded it back. Spray glued it, flicked it over, so that's what we want to do with this side. Start there with that left on. Oh no.
I'll get another can. I told you, go.
I think I've got it back. You trim that. So while we're cutting this out, Andy is currently finishing his carpeting. Looks really good, to be fair, mate.
Well, do it. First time ever doing it, I'm more than happy with it.
Right, so what we've done is we're going to cut some slits in these just so we can peel them back and turn them over. There's one there, one there. We'll do that now. There you go, look. What we'll do is we'll get the rest of this done and then we'll show you what it looks like.
Come on, let's have a look.
Look at it, mate. Are you ready?
Yeah?
Ready for the big reveal?
Yeah.
Do I get a countdown?
No.
Oh, okay.
Wow! That's amazing.
Yeah, perfect. No creases, nothing.
Did you do it all by yourself?
No, Callum helped me do it.
Ah.
So if there's anything wrong with it, it's the bit he did. I think he just feels guilty for sounding dodgy. Don't look at that bit. That's the bit Callum did.
How long are you playing for?
Well.
Right, so that's the first door carding. So like we said, we've done it in a nice suede material, which looks quite nice against the black carpet. Obviously we've got the glue to get off, but we'll get that off, that's not a problem. Yeah, I think it looks quite nice. It's good, good finish. Yeah. Seal to go on there, and obviously all cleaning up, but we have to clean up no matter what. So.
Oh, I've just realised you've put seal on it outside. That looks mint. Well, it does look mega buzzing with that. I didn't realise you put that on. That looks well good.
I've done it now.
Right, so what we're doing now, we're just offering carpet up to the door. I'm going to cut around it and then start sticking it on.
So we've got Callum and Josh who's just going to try a new floor in there.
Just like it looks like Josh.
Yeah, you can do, yeah.
It's just Josh don't feel like he's done a lot tonight, so he just wants to get involved.
Do you know which side this is for?
Yeah, it goes against it.
So we've just fitted a new dance floor.
It's murder on the dance floor. Thanks for leaving me on with that. Thanks.